stand there and deliver something to you. If I'm able to do it, it means okay, I can go and deliver at stage. I can communicate well. If you're able to understand me clearly, then it means that okay, I can communicate well. I have an empathy and I have good communication, etc. etc. Second thing is, okay, I go and I speak to you and I'm shivering, I'm not able to do it, and I'm not able to make my point, understand to you. It means okay, I cannot do it. It's something which I'm not made for. Of course, I can improve, that's a different thing, but you have to understand what is it that you're made for and what is it that you're not made for. Like for example, you choose branch, right? CS, IT, mechanical, civil. On what basis do you choose? Most of you choose on the basis of placements, unfortunately, right? Or because your friend is choosing that branch, so you want to get into it. There are hardly, I would say, 1 to 2% of the students who would actually be analyzing themselves and then choosing a branch. There are people, like I've seen a lot of people around me who have like boys who have passion for cars. They are into cars every time. They'll play with their car, they'll, keep exploring the car, they'll, break it, then again, make it, break it, make it, etc. etc. That helps you to actually understand that you have a love for cars. You enjoy working with the cars or maybe automobile, etc. etc. So that helps you, okay, I can do well in mechanical. For example, there are people who are good at drawing. They can sketch well. So there are few career options for them. So they should go for those career options. Who can do that? When you know yourself. But we don't have time to discover ourselves. We don't want to do it. We are scared of accepting ourselves.